you guys are having a wonderful day and making some really good trades. And let's dive right into the analysis here because I think Bitcoin could be finishing up its wave two here and getting ready to take off into its third wave. But again, we will see. We will see because we have re-entered the buy area once again. We are seeing some buying here from smart money on these smaller time frames. When you get over to the 4 hour, we're getting some nice little green crosses here, so that's some positive for Bitcoin. 1 hour, you got a few green crosses as well, but it's when you get on the 30-minute, you're starting to see smart money buying the dip today, right around 67,200, and then buying again on the 12-minute and the 24-minute as well. So looking really good at the moment. I like to see this accumulation from smart money. It tells me that we could have a big reversal coming soon. It doesn't mean it has to be right away, but the fact that these signs are starting to show up is showing that smart money is trying to defend this level here, and it aligns as well with our Elliott wave count buy area. So I still think that we could get this final push higher. And once this final push higher does happen, this is when I think we should exit some of our long positions and get ready to maybe even look for some short positions on Bitcoin for the longer term. But right now, we're starting to see the stock market take a pretty, big hit here, getting down, giving like a lot of gains back today on the S&P and the Nasdaq, in the fears that the yields are going higher, but I don't think yields are going much higher. I think what's really happening here is that we're gonna finish up a count, and we're gonna get a nice reversal back down in yields in the wave three, which is gonna help crypto assets, Bitcoin, all that good stuff. And let's take a look at Market Cipher. So Market Cipher, you actually have a nice little green dot appearing right now on the smaller time frames, like the 4 hour, the 1 hour time frame. You had actually a good amount of red money flow here, and you're still inside of it, but not seeing like a huge amount of red money flow come in. Like when you get these big drops down from like 66,000 all the way down to 57,000, you really start to see red money flow start to take over and the charts, and it really starts to expand. So you're in a really negative area here, but right now it's just more like sideways chop. The market is pretty indecisive on what it wants to do. You starting to see like the 24 minutes still red money flow. You had a nice pop up. Now you're getting a red dot. Does this mean Bitcoin's going to get a dip back down? 12-minute chopping about between red and green. And then the daily, right? The daily, the larger time frames, right? The daily is shaping up with some bearish dual band strength index numbers. It's pulling back in the bullish EMA ribbon area. And then you're starting to see the weekly is still bullish. So it's pretty choppy right now. Very hard to trade. I'm still in a few trades, and I see some people are joining the service that I provide. Again, guys, remember I can't control the market, right? If the market's gonna go sideways, and there's no real trades for me to post, and there's no real analysis for me to post as well. And there's no reason to force trades. A lot of people I know, a lot of members that join, I can tell they have this habit of forcing trades, and that's probably why they're joining the service. And the reason they're losing money is because you force trades. You got to be patient, sit on your hands, and wait for the trades to come to you. Where you're gonna see, we're gonna wrap up Q2 here in the next month. I'm gonna post how our portfolio is doing relative to how we started this year. We're going to be up over 60 to 65% on the year, right? And again, you could say, you could hold your altcoins and whatnot and perform better. Yeah, you could do that, right? But this is the trading portfolio, right? You don't trade with your entire stack. You trade with a smaller portion of your portfolio to get a nice little gain on it as well, and to learn how to trade. And then you hold your long-term investments with your long-term holdings. So that's the amount you don't trade with. Anyways, that's basically it. Just want to give you guys an update on how the market's doing. Essentially, the larger time frames like the 3-day, 2-day, and 4-day are starting to trim. Starting to lose some steam here. So the bulls really need to pick it up in the next couple of sessions and show their strength, or else the bears are going to take over and we're going to see big reversal in this market here. Okay, but overall still leaning bullish. Still think that we could get you know, higher, you know, I still think we could pump a little bit higher. But if these levels break and the pivots are lost, then that may be all she wrote for Bitcoin, and we're going to go all the way back down. But anyways, we'll see how it goes, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.